Great day, 5th grade mathematicians. Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. And our I can statement for today is, I can add decimals to the hundredths using place value. So our question of the day read, Michael rides the bus 3 82/100 miles. Then he walks 47/100 mile from the bus stop to school. How many miles does Michael travel from home to school? So the first thing I'm going to do is line my two numbers up based off of place value. So the 3 is in the ones place, the 8 is in the tenths place, and the 2 is in the hundredths place. And then in 47/100ths, the 0 is in the ones place, the 4 is in the tenths place, and the 7 is in the hundredths place. So then I'm going to draw my bar and add my addition sign, because my question asks, how many miles does Michael travel from home to school? So now I'm ready to add. 2 plus 7 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Since I have the number 12, I have to put the 2 down the bottom in the tenths place, and I'm going to regroup the 1 to the ones place up top left. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0 is still 4. And now all I'm going to do is bring my decimal point straight down. So Michael travels 4 29/100 miles from home to school. Please use the strategy in this video to solve the problems on the Microsoft form. The link to that form is in the chat. Once you complete the Microsoft form, please be sure to put your name in as question 1 and submit the form for grading. Then you should log into iReady Math to work on your 45 minutes for time for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow where we learn how to subtract decimals to the hundredths place using place value.